The very next midnight, the calculator woke up again.
No. Not again.
Miss me?
What do you want this time?
Tonight, no numbers. Only words. Solve my 3 riddles, or you can never leave this room. Riddle 1. I have a face and 2 hands, but no arms and no legs. What am I?
A monster?
Wrong. Look behind you.
A clock has a face and 2 hands. So the answer is a clock.
The first door is open. Riddle 2. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Later?
Wrong.
Then what is it?
Take the word short. Now add the letters E and R, and it becomes shorter. The answer is short.
Clever boy, but 1 riddle remains. Riddle 3. What starts with P, ends with E, and has thousands of letters?
Starts with P, thousands of letters. The post office.
Correct.
And just like that, he escaped the calculator's games a second time. Because now, he knew the secret.
Words aren't scary, they're just puzzles waiting to be solved. Which riddle fooled you? The clock, the shorter word, or the post office? Tell me in the comments.